Before starting the coding, let us see what the logic behind the printing of right angle triangle. And always remember, whenever you are going to print any pattern, first of all draw a sketch diagram and make a logic, because without making logic we can't write a code for the program. Here in this figure, let me explain. This is the number of rows and this is the column, and these all are stars, as these forms right angle triangle. And one logic is shown in the figure is that this is the number of rows, yeah, we can say number of lines, and this is the number of column 1 2 3 4 5. First of all come in first line. Here what we see, here the number of star is 1, and in next line number of star is 2, in next line number of star is 3, and so on, 4 and 5 6 and so on. One thing I got is that the number of stars in a row is equal to row number 1 1 2 2, and consecutively number of star in rows also equal to the number of column in the last star, that is this and this. Here in the this is in the second number of column and second number of rows, this is third number of column and third number of rows, this is in fourth number of column and fourth number of rows. So what we need, two loop, one loop to update column and another loop to update rows. So let us see in the program, and whenever we need this we will come to this page. First of all we will include header file, and void main, main. Here we will declare variable, that is n. Clear the screen. Now ask the user to the number of rows he required. In this example we have 5 number of rows, and it may be that we also have many numbers of rows, 1 number, 5 number, 10 number, 12 number, and infinitely n numbers of rows. Now ask the user for the number of rows, enter number of rows and scanf that format file will be %d and small n, and now the logic starts. And in our program here in this figure we have, this is number of column, this is number of rows, and this is number of column. First of all we have to proceed for number of rows. Then here in first row there are 1 number of stars, in second row 2 number of stars, in third row 3 number of stars. So first of all we will print in first row, then we have to start a for loop, and next we also have to take a next for loop that will update our column. This will update our column. So whenever it will print the total number of stars in the column, there must be a line change. So we will apply a for loop for the row that will only change the line. Here we are seeing that in every line line is changed, and as same as in column, the number of stars is increasing by 1 in every rows, and that number of star in every column is smaller or equal than rows. In first row it is 1, in second row it is 2, means it is smaller or equal to number of rows in that star, that line. Now come in the program. Here I will start a loop for I is equal to 0, and I must be smaller than number of rows, that is 5, and I plus plus. And the next we will apply one more loop, that is j, and j is smaller than what? Smaller or equal to I, j plus plus. Here why j is smaller than I? Because number of stars in every rows is equal to or smaller than this number, given rows number. So coming to the program and print, here print what? Star, sign of multiply, and now stop this for loop, and in next loop here this for loop is terminated by block. Whenever I close the block, it means that the effect of this for loop is terminated. And next we will print the what? We will change the line so that I will cross the next line, and here both the for loop will be closed. This closed this loop, and these blocks close this for loop. Now get ch and stop the program. Now first of all I will compile the program, no error, and then the program. Enter number of rows, I enter 5, that is our program. Print the total number of rows is 5. Suppose I give total number of rows is 10, then total number of rows will print as 10. So guys, this is a simple program to print a right angle triangle. In next lecture we will see some more complex pattern printing program, such as pyramid and floral triangles and also squares. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.